Bitcoin is getting ready here for a really big move in the immediate short term, and we definitely have to talk about this. And if you think that's interesting, then don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you will never miss out on these really important updates, and also activate the notification bell so that you will be notified when I'm making these important updates. And Bitcoin is here fighting right now with a really crucial level, and we dive directly into the chart here on the 4-hourly chart, so we can clearly see that Bitcoin is still trading in this bigger falling wedge on the 4-hourly time frame. So, and the bears and the bulls are fighting right now between support and resistance, as we can clearly see here in the last in this 4-hourly candle. Bitcoin has tested the upper end of the downward sloping resistance of this falling wedge pattern, which is around $23,100, and now is fighting also with the downward sloping support of this falling wedge pattern around $22,750. So, and you see here a clear doji candle, which is indecision candle, especially if it stays like that. So, but there is some light at the horizon, because the lower time frames are showing right now that Bitcoin is gearing up for a bigger move, potentially here to break to the upside. And that is also the reason why I entered a small trade position. So you see I'm here $36 in a loss right now. It's just 1%, so it's not that much. But that's the trade that I have right now open on Phemex. I will also later potentially open a trade on a Bybit and also on a BitGet. And don't forget, guys, there are still bonuses available here with my Bybit link, $4,450 only with that specific link, and $8,000 on BitGet. I'm like I said, one of the only ones in the world. There's only a handful of people who has that kind of bonus for their community, so definitely take advantage also here on that BitGet link. And now definitely let's get back here straight to Bitcoin, because this is really interesting right now. It's for me more interesting to watch football or anything else, to see what's happening here on the 4-hourly chart. The stochastic RSI is already on the bottom here, and more or less ready to pinch here back to the upside, which will then also reflect in the Bitcoin price to see here a push back to the upside. And that was also something that I was talking about the last couple of days, that if we come here lower, I expect Bitcoin to push back here to the upside. So when we go back to my trade here now, you see I'm already slight in a profit. It's going up and down here, but that's for me absolutely fine. If we go here into the daily chart, however, we can still see that the Bitcoin price is still coming a little bit more down here, and there is the potential that we come all the way down here to the bottom of that rising wedge pattern that the Bitcoin price is forming here. So, and that would be around $21,500. But there is, of course, also some support coming in, and that's why we are not right now going here into lower prices. So there is support at $22,350 approximately. Let me actually make this here in green. So, and that is right now keeping the Bitcoin price afloat also here around $22,900. That's actually the support that we are sitting right on right now. So if we should lose this support, then as I just mentioned, 22,350 would be the next level of support. And in the worst case scenario, I definitely expect a pushback here to the upside all the way up to $23,800. So of course you could also short this if we break $22,900 all the way down to $22,400. A quick scalping trade would that be? So if I would trade this, I would use high leverage on this, like 25, 35x with a small dollar amount, which can then of course result in a really nice profit if we getting down here. But now let's jump here quick into some lower time frames, and why I believe that we could see here the Bitcoin price moving here in the immediate short term to the upside. So, and for that also I'm looking here at the stochastic RSI. So this stochastic RSI was, when I entered the trade, somewhere around, let's see, somewhere around here when I entered this. So now you see there's clear resistance at $23,100, and that is exactly the resistance line here, what I was pointing out on the 4-hourly chart. So, and yeah, we got a harsh rejection from that also on the 15 minutes. So, but also the bulls are fighting back here with that big wick here and push the price back to the upside. So here on the 15 minutes, I expect soon also a clear path of direction back to the upside to oscillate here all the way yeah, to the top of the stochastic RSI. So, and that will spill over then in other time frames, especially when we're looking here on the 30 minutes. There, when we look at this, there we could also see soon a reversal back to the upside, especially that we are holding here above the EMA ribbon. So when the price got pushed down under the ribbon, so now you can actually see it here, how nicely the price tries to push here higher within the ribbon. So on the 30 minutes, we are, of course, in a clear downtrend right now because the Bitcoin price is trading under the 30-minute ribbon. So, but if we get here now the reversal that we could potentially see here, then the Bitcoin price will of course come back up above the ribbon. The ribbon will start twisting itself again to move here back to the upside and flip to the upside and get back into an uptrend. So, and also on the 1-hourly chart, so here we see that massive wick. So, but also here the Bitcoin price tries to fight to get back into the ribbon here. Exactly right now, when we look back here at my trade, now I'm already $300 in profit. So you see right now it's working out nicely, but it can again change any minute. But for now, it's working quite nicely, and I'm happy with that trade for now. So yeah, so if the Bitcoin price can manage to push here back into the 1-hourly ribbon and close actually the 1-hourly candle here within, then I definitely expect some follow through here from the bulls in the immediate short term. So here on the stochastic RSI, there's also still a lot of room to go here higher. We are right now at around 60 and we can go all the way up to 100. So when this 1-hourly candle is closing in around 16 minutes, I expect that the stochastic RSI will be around 70, 75, something like this. But there's still then a couple of hours left to actually go here higher and then also spill again over into the 4-hourly chart, where we could potentially see then in the next 8 to 12 hours finally a breakout out of this falling wedge pattern. And the technical target of this falling wedge pattern would be by textbook technically all the way up here at $24,600. But I'm looking at to take my first take profit on the trade that I have open right now around $23,400, $23,800, and then potentially here $24,300. So that is the immediate term outlook, guys. I know you like when I do really short term outlook where you can actually make some money. So now my trade starts actually to tend to be a little bit better here because I see the Bitcoin price is here trying to get over $23,000, and there we have it. So you see the bulls are heavily fighting, and that is the kind of volatility that we want to see in this market, because that allows us actually to make a lot of money and take advantage of this volatility that we are seeing here. I would also, quick before I finish, have a look here on the volume. Yeah, you see there's good volume coming in on the 1-hourly chart here right now, which is obviously also a good sign that the bulls are trying to take control. So, and yeah, let's see what's happening here. We have the immediate outlook. So also here, I think I was on the 30 minutes chart. Let me quick go back to the 30 minutes chart. No, sorry guys, my mistake. So yeah, but like I said, so I'm looking closely what's happening here with the 1-hourly EMA ribbon. If this 1-hourly candle can actually close within the ribbon and we get then our follow through here, or if we see another rejection as we have seen here, for example, on the daily chart. Oh no, sorry guys, it was the 4-hourly chart. The 4-hourly chart that the Bitcoin price is right now. Yeah, under the EMA ribbon. So we are still technically in an uptrend because the ribbon has not flipped yet, but the Bitcoin price has to come really quick back here above the EMA ribbon to maintain this uptrend. And guys, you know what the deal is. The trend is your friend until the end. So as long as the ribbon is not flipping and the Bitcoin price can push back here, back to the upside, we are still in an uptrend, and we can see this falling wedge pattern actually playing out here in the immediate short term. Guys, that's it already for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, my signets channel is going crazy and taking advantage of this volatility. So if you also want to be part of my signets channel, the link is here also in the description under the video for the paid signets group and also for the free signets group. Actually, the trade that I just took like an hour or 2 hours ago, I was posting this in real time in the signets channel, so definitely take advantage also of that. And you know the drill, guys. Smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again in the next one.